Hello, good evening. What's your name?
I'm Eden Grace Dara, ma'am.
Okay, how old are you?
22 years old, ma'am.
Single or married?
Single parent, ma'am.
Okay, you got how many children? How old are they?
I have two kids, ma'am. The eldest is 9 years old and the youngest is 7 years old.
Okay, if you come to Singapore, who will take care of your two children?
My mother will take good care of them and also my aunt, ma'am.
Okay, your mother now is how old?
She's 48 years old, ma'am. I have also a younger sister to take good care of them, ma'am.
Okay, you got any experience as a domestic helper?
No, ma'am.
No experience, but you can take care of children.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, can you
Yes, ma'am.
cook?
I can do also the household chores, ma'am.
Okay, you can also cook?
Yes, ma'am. Filipino food, ma'am.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.